So now I hope that you all are very well, and this class is so important because before this class I had discussed about quadrilateral. So this is second part of quadrilateral. So first is what is happening if I would have one types of quadrilateral like this one. Suppose this one is quadrilateral. No. Suppose this one is quadrilateral and there is like this one. It is H1 and this one is H2 and this one is diagonal A, B, C, D. So in the figure, this is quadrilateral. So how I will find out its area? And I already know about its perimeter, how perimeter is find out. Then if I add each and every side, outer side of length of this parallelogram quadrilateral, then I can say that this is perimeter. But there is a problem how I will find out its area. It is area. How I will find out? So in the area, I see that before this class, I have already told this one is also a type of quadrilateral, that is, so general quadrilateral is general. This one is general. This one is general quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. So in general quadrilateral, what I see that if I write 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and this one is a diagonal. This one is a diagonal. Then diagonal is DB, D, and B. Next one is I see that if I write here E, F. So one height is AE, and now this one is CF. This one is CF. So what will be its length? It means DB. DB is called diagonal. DB is diagonal and DB, and this one is H1 and H2 is given. So area of general quadrilateral, this type of figure is given. This type of figure is if D DB is denoted with diagonal, then I can also write this one D into H1 plus H2 is a figure, and this figure is area of can be measured like this one. So in the figure, what I say that suppose H1 is given 10 centimeter, this one is 12 centimeter, and diagonal is its diagonal is also 20 centimeter. Its diagonal is giving its length is 20 centimeter. Then how I will find out its area? Then I will see that area of quadrilateral equal to 1 by 2 into D into H1 plus H2, H1 and H2. Same thing, if 1 by 2 is given, D is 20 centimeter and H1 is 10 centimeter and 2 is 12 centimeter. And this types of, if I divide this one like 10 centimeter, that means 10 centimeter, 2 10 ja 20, this one will be 22 centimeter. Now 10 centimeter cross 22 centimeter, it will be 220 centimeter square. So area of this figure, this types of quadrilateral is measured on this formula. If you will keep memorize, then I think it is very important to understand. Sometimes what is, suppose rhombus is also given, and rhombus is also find out. Suppose this one is rhombus, each and every side is equal, then I find area of rhombus bus equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2, d1 into d2. If diagonal 1 and 2 is multiplied, its area is come out. So area of diagonal, and cat is also find out d into 1 by 2. Suppose, so what I see that this one is rhombus, rhombus, and so this one is cat, kite. So what is different between both of them? So what is different both of them? Then I see that A, B, C and D. This one is also P, Q, R and S. So if I will talk about cat, that means its opposite side. Opposite sides are equal, and this one is equal. And is rhombus, each and every side are equal, but its diagonals are not equal. So this one is called types of cat and rhombus. It is area of rhombus and kite equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. If we will multiply with d1 and d2, then its area will be find out. So area of, suppose pq, In a figure D, PQ QS is given 20 centimeter and QR is given 18 centimeter. Then I will find out area of rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into 20 centimeter cross 18 centimeter, then it will be 10 centimeter. That means 10 centimeter cross 18 centimeter, that means it is 120 centimeter square area of rhombus is equal to. So this one is way to find out area of quadrilateral. If any types of quadrilaterals is given, suppose rectangle, we know L into B, area of rectangle, and area of a square. If side into side, then if area of a square, you will multiply side into side, because both of side, it's also as a, we find out area of rectangle same is, but what is happening, instead of L and B, A and A is written. That means if base is same, then its power is added. So also this is area of a square and rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, and rhombus, catch I studied. So these types of figure quadrilaterals can be find out its area. If you will understand these all things, then you need to share the video and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment. If in comment you can say anything, you can write as your wish. So I don't have to say anything, you need to write according to me, not according to me, according to your thought you can write, and it's depend on your mind which types of thought you like to keep. So this video is very important, you need to practice at your home, and you need to also write. If you want to copy this, you can copy. Thanks a lot to watch these videos.